Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Ace 2V and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, let's find and open the settings, and then let's enter the option password and security. Now let's tap on system security and here scroll down to find credential storage. As you can see at the very bottom, we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it and simply confirm it with OK. Not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply proves us that we successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.